Welding is a process of joining similar and dissimilar metals by the application of heat with or without the application of the pressure. Types of welding: electric arc welding, gas welding, and chemical reaction welding. SMAW indicates sheet metal arc welding. GTAW indicates gas tension arc welding. Gas metal arc welding, GMAW. In shield metal arc welding, the arc is shielded by the covered with the flux material. In gas tension arc welding, the arc is produced in the ionized gas metal vapors known as plasma. The three different polarities in the gas tension arc welding is shown in this figure. In gas metal arc welding, consumable electrode is used. It is also called as MIG welding. Here, the electrode is covered by the shielded gas. The gas is used here is the argon, neon, helium. This figure indicates the gas metal arc welding gun. Some of the characteristics of the TIG welding and MIG welding is shown. Main types of welded joint is butt joint, T-joint, and lap joint. Bruise, and this is the edge preparation of which is to be done before making the welding joint. That is the square groove, single V groove. The figure shows the position of the welding which is carried out on the material: flat, horizontal, vertical, overhead. Here the various types of joints are shown: butt joint, lap joint, corner joint, T-joint, and edge joint. The edge preparations for the various joints is shown: straight butt joint, single V butt joint, single U butt joint, double V butt joint. The positions are shown: flat position, vertical position, overhead position, and horizontal position. These are the normal welding positions.